Finally made it to Acadia National Park. Let's check it out. Acadia has not disappointed. Beautiful, not as crowded as I thought it would be. It's more crowded than I want it to be. But we got up here yesterday, we were in western Maine, and it was brutal with mosquitoes everywhere, the worst I've seen. Here, the ocean breeze, you get none of that. Just get gorgeous views. So we're gonna continue on this little loop, see where we could go. And we still gotta find somewhere to sleep tonight. take a little break, get some ice cream, vanilla for Koda, moose tracks for me. Find out where we're gonna be sleeping. Look it up online, find a nice little spot around here, and then make dinner. Have a little campfire. Hopefully mosquitoes aren't so bad where we'll be fine. We'll go from there. All right, so we happened to stumble upon home for the night. Not where I was going, but we ended up taking a road, and yeah, that's loud. And found something a little exciting. A little bit of service, not a great view, but it's secluded, deep in the woods. Bugs aren't that bad, but it's Maine, it's gonna be bad. So we're gonna, I think, start a fire to minimize the bugs and then try to cook. Let's see. I'm not cooking with a ton of bugs, so hopefully the fire does it. Fire's going, grill's set up. We got a lot to cook. Fire is helping immensely with the bugs. They're almost non-existent right now. A few stragglers, but that's all right. They'll be gone. We are cooking chicken thighs, green beans, and a cold bean salad. Get a container and just throw everything in. All the veggies, all the beans, the lime, your Wickles sandwich spread, everything. Spread it out a little bit. Let them go for a minute or two, let them soften up. Hit them with your salt, pepper. I'll probably hit it with that pack and heat seasoning for a little kick. And that's it. I just flash them. I like them still a little bit crunchy, but you know, blackened on the outside. So they only take a few minutes and then it's dinner time. Koda also wants everybody to know, here's our trash. Pack in, pack out, folks. The only thing I threw in that fire was a couple of pepper heads and some stems. That's it. We'll take that with us wherever we end up tomorrow. I'm sure we'll stop for gas and I'll chuck it away then. But we like to make it as if we were never even here. And that's dinner. Chicken thighs, green beans, and a bean salad. Lots of beans, lots of chicken. You may be saying that's a lot of food. It is. But in case I stay another night tomorrow, now it'll all be ready. I could just take it out, heat it up. It'll probably last me a couple days. Rather just do all this cleaning, all this setup once, last me 3 days. Eat like a king and a queen. All right, we're gonna finish up dinner here, sit by the fire, burn the rest of the wood, and then hop to bed. It's a new day tomorrow. We don't know if we're going home tomorrow or going back to our Acadia. We'll find out. We'll see you in the morning.